For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Pakistan has yet again hit headlines with its recent statements against India's Rafale induction. India recently inducted 5 Rafale jets from Merginac in France. Responding to India's purchases, Pakistan Army made some shocking claims. With the latest induction, Pakistan Army claims that it is ready for any aggression. They also said that the latest induction of Rafale jets is not a cause of concern for the Pakistan Army. The claims were made by Director General of the Inter-Services Public Relations, Major General Babar Iftikhar. The statement was made by the Director General of ISPR while responding to issues concerning Pakistan's internal and external security. The DG ISPR was also asked about India's recent purchase of Rafale jets. Responding to the question, the DG ISPR said that they have no doubt about the capabilities of the jets. The DG ISPR also claimed that Pakistan is ready for any aggression. The way the journey of 5 Rafales from France to India was covered shows the level of their insecurities. Nonetheless, whether they receive 5 Rafales or 500, we are fine. We are absolutely ready and we have no doubt on our capability, and we have proven that this. So, it's the jet not going to make much of a difference. Pakistan's ISPR DG also noted that India's military spending will affect the balance in the region. He also added that it would affect the balance because India's military spending is the highest in the world. Well, Pakistan's defense spending has been declining, and that's exactly what the DG ISPR said. Their defense spending and their budget compared to ours is affecting the conventional balance of the region. And when this happens, things go into another domain, and international community should also look at this. So bring the Rafales or the S-400, bring them on. We have our own preparedness and our own answers to everything. Pakistan's statements drew widespread criticism and netizens hit out at our neighboring nation. Iron brother relation between China and Pakistanis will be plastic brother relation in due course of time. Burning example, Pakistani's relation with Saudi Arabia. Our diplomacy should be directed towards the goal so that iron gets rusted plastic will take place. First batch of 5 Rafale fighter aircraft that India bought from France took off from France Easter Air Base and arrived in India on July 29th. The Rafale jets are capable of carrying a range of potent weapons, and this has given India the edge during such crisis time.